Hey, it's been forever since we last talked. How have you been?
I know, right? Life's been crazy. I don't even know where to start. How about you?
Same here. Work, family, just trying to balance everything. But first, tell me what's new with you.
Well, for starters, I finally took that trip to Italy I always talked about. It was amazing. The food, the culture, the history, everything was perfect.
No way. I remember you saying you wanted to do that for years. What was your favorite part?
Oh, that's tough. But probably exploring the Amalfi Coast. The views were unreal. And the pasta? I think I gained 10 pounds in 2 weeks.
Ha ha, totally worth it. Did you do all the touristy stuff, like the Colosseum and Vatican City?
Of course, the Colosseum was surreal, standing there and imagining gladiators fighting centuries ago. And the Sistine Chapel? No picture could ever do it justice.
I'm so jealous. I need a vacation like that. All I do is work these days.
Speaking of work, how's that going? Last time we talked, you were thinking of switching jobs.
Yeah, I finally did. I left my old company about 6 months ago. It was terrifying at first, but honestly, I'm so much happier now. Less stress, better pay, and I actually like what I do.
That's awesome. I remember how frustrated you were with that place. What's your new job like?
It's still in marketing, but now I'm working with a smaller company, so I have more creative freedom. And my team is amazing, which makes such a difference.
That's so good to hear. I feel like we're at that stage in life where happiness matters more than just a paycheck.
Exactly. I used to think success meant climbing the corporate ladder no matter what, but now I just want balance.
Same. I've been trying to slow down and enjoy the little things more. I even started journaling.
Look at you, all introspective and wise, but seriously, has it helped?
Honestly, yeah. It makes me more aware of what I'm feeling instead of just going through the motions. Plus, it's nice to look back and see how much I've grown.
That's really cool. Maybe I should try it. My mind is always racing, and I never take the time to process things.
You totally should. And you don't have to write pages. Just a few sentences a day can make a difference.
Alright, you've convinced me. So, what else is new? Any big life updates?
Well, I kind of adopted a dog.
What? No way. You've always said you weren't a pet person.
I know, but I met this rescue pup, and something just clicked. She's the sweetest thing. Her name's Luna.
That's adorable. What kind of dog is she?
She's a mix, but mostly Labrador. She's full of energy but also super cuddly.
Sounds perfect. I need to meet her.
Definitely. We should plan a hangout soon. Maybe a park day?
That would be awesome. Let's make it happen. I miss our long talks in person.
Me too. I feel like we could go on forever.
That's what best friends are for, right?
Absolutely. Now, tell me what's the most exciting thing that's happened to you lately?
Oh, you're going to love this story. So, a couple of weeks ago, I randomly bumped into my college roommate at a coffee shop. We hadn't seen each other in, like, 8 years.
No way. That's insane. Did you guys just recognize each other immediately?
Yeah, I was standing in line, looking at my phone, and I heard someone say my name. I looked up, and there he was. At first, I was like, wait, is this real? And then we just started laughing.
That's such a cool moment. Did you guys catch up?
Oh yeah, we ended up grabbing coffee and talking for 2 hours. Turns out he's married now and has a kid.
What? That's wild. It's crazy how life moves so fast. One day, you're pulling all-nighters in a dorm room, and the next thing you know, your friends have families.
I know, right. It made me realize how much has changed. Like, I still feel like a college kid in my head sometimes, but then I remember we're actual adults now.
Tell me about it. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about how different we all are now compared to when we were younger. Do you ever wonder if your younger self would be proud of where you are now?
That's a deep question. I think so. I mean, I've had my ups and downs, but overall, I think I've grown into someone younger me would respect. What about you?
Yeah, I think so too. I've made mistakes, but I've also learned so much. I used to put so much pressure on myself to have everything figured out by a certain age, but now I realize life doesn't work like that.
Exactly. There's no perfect timeline. We all just figure things out as we go.
Speaking of timelines, have you thought about relationships lately? Are you seeing anyone?
Oh boy, that's a whole topic.
Uh-oh, spill.
Okay, so I was seeing someone a few months ago. It started off great fun dates, deep conversations, all of that, but then it kind of fizzled out.
What happened?
Honestly, I think we were just in different places emotionally. She wanted something super serious right away, and I wasn't sure if I was ready for that.
That's totally fair. It's better to be honest about that than force something that doesn't feel right.
Yeah, that's what I figured. What about you? Any new romances?
Kind of. There's someone I've been talking to, but I don't know if it's going anywhere yet. We met through mutual friends, and we've been texting a lot. We've hung out a few times, but I'm still trying to get a read on it.
That's exciting. Do you like them?
I think so. They're funny, smart, and super easy to talk to, but I don't want to rush into anything.
Makes sense. Just take it slow and see where it goes. No pressure.
Exactly. I'm trying this new thing where I don't overthink relationships and just enjoy the moment.
That's a solid approach. I should try that too. I overanalyze everything.
Haha, yeah, you do. But hey, at least you're self-aware.
True? So, what else is new with you? Any new hobbies?
Actually, yes. I started taking a pottery class.
What? That's awesome. How did that happen?
I don't know. I just wanted to try something different. I went to one of those paint your own pottery places with a friend, and I loved it. So, I signed up for a real class, and now I'm hooked.
That's so cool. Have you made anything yet?
Yep. My first piece was, let's just say abstract. But I'm getting better. I made a little bowl last week, and it actually looks decent.
That's amazing. You have to show me sometime.